Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ramadan Dwiguna. You can call me Ramadan. For today, I will explain the part of speech there is a preposition. Before I explain about the preposition, let me tell the purpose of the presentation. For the first is explain what a preposition is. Number two is mention the type of preposition. Number three is provide simple example sentence. Number four is short exercise. Number five is help the audience understand the use of preposition in everyday. Do you know the difference between in, on, at? If you don't know, then the path you are taking is correct by looking at this presentation. For the first is definition. What is a preposition? Preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other word in a sentence. For the example is the book is on the table. We can see in the sentence the preposition on shows the relationship between the book and the table. So prepositions themselves help provide context for space, time, or other relationship in a sentence. There are many more prepositions that can be used, such as before, over, around, with, and other. For the next is type of preposition. Place, time, and direction. Actually, there are many types of preposition such as manner, reason, or purpose, but in this presentation, I will explain the three types of preposition. The namely is place, time, and direction. For the first is preposition of place. Preposition of place is a preposition that used to denote a place where someone or something is being located. For the example words is at, in, on, under, over, between, among. For the example of sentence is the cat is under the chair. The There is a bird on the roof. The preposition under, number one, is used to indicate the position or place where the cat is located, the namely under the chair. So the sentence means the cat is under the chair, indicating the location of the object in space that is lower than the chair. Same as example number one, only different in the object shown above the roof because it used then the verb. For example number two. For next is preposition of time. Preposition of time is the word that shows when something happens or will happen. It tells us the time, day, date, or duration of an event. For the example word is at, in, on, after, before. For the example of sentence, for number one, I wake up at 5 o'clock every morning. Number two is we will return home on Lebaran. Prepositions such as at, in, and on are also used in the context of time, but in a different way than they are used in the context of place. In time preposition, this word help indicate a more specific time, such as the hour, day, month, or year. We can see, for example, number one is at 5 o'clock and number two is on Lebaran. For the third is preposition of direction. Preposition of direction is indicate the direction of movement or the position of an object in relation to another object. They often appear before nouns or pronouns and are frequently used with verb of motion. For example, words is to, toward, into, to, across. For the example of sentence is he got into the car. I am going the doctor. The preposition into is from the example number one indicate the direction of a person movement towards something. In this case, into a car. This means that the person is moving towards the space inside the car. So, into is used to describe movement into a place or thing. So, this is appropriate for an example of preposition of direction that describes the movement for an object. For the next is common mistakes. Common error. For the example, incorrect sentence, I will meet you in Monday. For the correct sentence, I will meet you on Monday. The second is incorrect sentence, she is married him. The correct sentence is she is married to him. For the simple tip, we use on for specific days like on Monday, on Tuesday, on December. For the second, some verb require specific preposition. For number one, we use in for months, years, or longer time period. For example, in January in 2025 in the morning. But for the specific days or date, we always use on. On is used when referring to a particular day or date, like on Monday, on my birthday, on Friday. For the seconds, you need to use to indicate the person you are married to. Without it, the sentence is incomplete or incorrect. For the next is simple exercise. The example is the book is blah 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 the shelf. You can choose in, on, at for answer it. I will give you 3 seconds to answer. 3, 2, 1. For the answer itself is on, because on is used to indicate something that is on the surface or above an object, while in is used to indicate something that is in a place or closed space, and at is used to indicate a certain place or position, but is more often used for a more specific place or time. So in and at are not suitable for filling in blank sentence. For the last is review main points. Preposition is word to show location, time, or direction. The main type is place, time, direction, manner, reason, or purpose. For the motivation is learning English is like Wi-Fi, something strong, something lost, but always reconnecting. Thank you very much for watching, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.